How do we know about Roman sea travel? Imagine setting sail across the vast Mediterranean Sea 2,000 years ago. How do we know what that journey was like? Well, historians, archaeologists, and scientists have pieced together the story from many sources. First, ancient Roman writers like Pliny the Elder and Vitruvius described their sea voyages, ship types, and routes in detail. They wrote about different ships used for trade and war, including large warships called quinquiremes with 5 rows of oars. These accounts tell us about the ship sizes, how they were built, and how they moved across the water. Archaeologists have found shipwrecks around the Mediterranean that date back to Roman times. These wrecks help us see what Roman ships looked like and how they were constructed. Some shipwrecks contain cargo like pottery, glassware, and coins, showing what goods were transported by sea. These artifacts give us clues about trade routes and the kinds of items Romans carried. The remains of ancient harbors like Ostia near Rome and Portus also tell us about Roman sea travel. These ports had docks, warehouses, and shipbuilding yards. By studying these structures, experts learn how ships were built, repaired, and launched. Roman naval technology evolved over time. They copied Carthaginian designs at first, then built larger fleets of warships. These ships could carry hundreds of men and were used not just for fighting but also for patrolling and protecting merchant ships from pirates. We also have records of Roman trade routes. For example, ships regularly sailed from Egypt to Rome, carrying grain and other supplies. These routes were vital for feeding the city and supporting the empire. The ships traveled mainly from May to October because winter storms made sailing dangerous. All this evidence helps us understand Roman sea travel. Written accounts, shipwrecks, harbor remains, and artifacts all combine to paint a clear picture of how Romans moved across the sea. It was a busy, sometimes risky, but essential part of life in ancient Rome. Their ships and ports connected the empire, kept trade flowing, and helped Rome stay powerful across the Mediterranean.